Right now, your body is working silently to keep everything in balance. Your temperature is being regulated, your blood sugar is being controlled, your oxygen levels are being maintained, and all of this is happening automatically. The moment this balance is disturbed, you start to feel it. You may feel dizzy, tired, overheated, or even sick. This constant internal balance is called homeostasis, and it is one of the most important processes that keeps you alive. So what exactly is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment even when external conditions change. Whether you are in a cold room or under the sun, whether you have just eaten or haven't eaten for hours, your body continuously adjusts itself to keep conditions within a narrow and safe range. To understand this, think about body temperature. The normal human body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. If your body temperature rises above this, your body activates cooling mechanisms. You start sweating, and blood vessels near the skin expand to release heat. If your temperature drops, your body reacts by shivering, generating heat to warm you up. This is homeostasis in action. Homeostasis works through a system called a feedback loop. This involves three main components: a receptor, a control center, and an effector. The receptors detect changes in the body, such as a rise in temperature or a drop in blood sugar. This information is sent to the control center, usually the brain, which processes the information and decides what action to take. Then the effectors, such as muscles or glands, respond to restore balance. Another important example is blood sugar regulation. After you eat, your blood sugar levels rise. The body releases a hormone called insulin, which helps cells absorb glucose and bring blood sugar levels back to normal. If this system fails, it can lead to conditions like diabetes, where blood sugar levels remain too high and cause long-term damage. Homeostasis also controls blood pressure, oxygen levels, pH balance, hydration, and many other processes. Each of these must remain within a specific range. Even small imbalances can lead to serious health problems. For example, low oxygen levels can cause fatigue and confusion, while high blood pressure can damage blood vessels over time. The concept of internal balance was first described by the French scientist Claude Bernard, who introduced the idea of a stable internal environment. Later, the American physiologist Walter Cannon coined the term homeostasis to describe this process. When homeostasis fails, the body struggles to function properly. Many diseases are actually the result of disrupted balance. For example, dehydration affects fluid balance, infections disturb temperature regulation, and hormonal imbalances can affect multiple systems in the body. Today, modern medicine is using advanced technology to monitor and maintain homeostasis more effectively. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used in wearable devices and healthcare systems to track vital signs like heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels in real time. These systems can detect abnormalities early and alert both patients and doctors, helping prevent serious complications. Homeostasis is the reason your body can adapt, survive, and function in changing environments. It is the invisible system that keeps everything in balance every second of your life. Understanding how this process works helps us recognize how important it is to maintain a healthy lifestyle and prevent disruptions that can lead to disease.